Hello again, precious metal enthusiasts, and welcome back to another Bullion Exchanges unboxing. Today we're diving into the world of kilo silver coins, each carrying a unique story in their weight, design, and origin. Let's begin our journey. Our first spectacle today is the 2023 Armenia 1 kilo Noah's Ark silver coin. This brilliant uncirculated coin, authorized by the government of Armenia, bears a face value of 10,000 dram and is made from 1 kilogram of 0.9999 fine silver. The coin features the biblical story of Noah's Ark, a tale of survival and hope, making it a coveted piece for any collection. Next, we have the 2023 Cook Islands 1 kilo silver Steampunk jetpack coin. This coin, with an antiqued finish, is a part of the Steampunk collection, combining 19th century industrial steam-powered machinery and retro-futuristic technology. The coin details a scene inspired by the author Jules Verne, featuring a person wearing a jetpack, suggesting a future transit system. Our journey continues with the 2023 1 kilo silver Hunters by Night Python Palau coin. This coin, the third release in the Hunters by Night series, features a python, a well-known predator. Struck in ultra-high relief with an obsidian black finish, this coin captures the python's grace and power, making it a striking addition to any collection. Finally, we have the 2023 1 kilo silver lunar year of the Rabbit Australian Perth Mint coin. This coin, part of the renowned Silver Lunar series from the Perth Mint, honors the Chinese zodiac 12-year cycle. The Year of the Rabbit is known for gentleness, skillfulness, and patience. This coin, with its intricate design and 0.9999 fine silver, is a perfect way to celebrate the lunar year of the rabbit. We've journeyed through biblical history, explored a steampunk future, ventured into the world of night hunters, and celebrated the lunar year of the rabbit. Each of these unique kilo coins tells a story that goes beyond their metallic value, embodying elements of culture, history, and even our collective future. Which of these 4 coins resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments. Your feedback helps us bring more exciting products to these videos. And remember, every coin you've seen today is available on Bullion Exchanges. Visit our website to learn more about each one, explore our other collections, or start a new one of your own. The links to all the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. If you liked this unboxing and want to see more, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got plenty more shiny things to show you. Until next time, keep exploring, keep collecting, and as always, keep investing in precious metals.